Hi friends, so today we are going to Vaishno Devi. So we have come from Hyderabad. So we have a train at 9:10. We'll take a train to Jammu. I'll keep you updated. So we have already done the COVID test. We got the negative report. I'll tell you why I did before. Just keep watching. And I would suggest like first create the Yatra Parchi online. I'll put the link in the description. I think in the COVID situation they have limit on the pilgrim, so I would suggest just go online and take a parchi. So guys, let me tell you our plan. So we have a train from New Delhi railway station at 9:10 p.m. It will reach Jammu 6 in the morning. Then we'll go to Katra by taking a cab. Then we'll do some rest for a couple of hours and then start our journey. And probably it will take around 5 to 6 hours to reach, as we'll go by walk. And after doing the darshan, then we have a plan to take rest. We have got the booking for in the bhavan to take rest. So there are some dormitories there, so we got some 5 beds there, so we'll rest for some time. And we were also surprised that we got the booking there, and we'll rest there. And then after that, around 2:30 or something, we'll start our journey again. We'll go to Bhairav Baba in the night, and then we'll come back to Katra again. Then we have a flight at 1 p.m. We'll take a flight from Jammu airport to Delhi. So this is our whole itinerary. Info 1. Now railway is not providing any beds, so either you need to bring your own beds. Generally people do that, but now they have started selling these beds, which is like disposable beds on the station, so you can take advantage of that as well. Reach this place, Jammu Tawi, and now we are going towards the testing place. We have already done the test and we got the negative report. We have, but if you see the line, it's very big. Let me show you. See, this is the reason that we have done our COVID report beforehand. So we did RT-PCR test and took a printout, because if you have done the test, so they will not test it here. You can show it at the entry gate and then go. Otherwise, you will have to wait for 2 hours. So yeah, so this is info number 2. So we have come out of this. This is the station. Taking, it's so crowded here. Only we had this, we just showed this. This is the paper. Now we are out. It's very crowded. So now we are starting our journey. Here they will check your luggage or any other item which is not allowed, and then they will let you go. So we are starting our journey here. It's around 11:30, and so here either you can take horses or you can go by walk. So now we are going by walk, and there's an important tip I'll give you. If you are going by a walk and want to still make your journey comfortable, just keep watching. So there are a lot of shops while you are walking. You can eat or you can do shopping, and there are a lot of places where you can take photographs as well. So just enjoy. If you are going by walk and you don't want to carry your luggage, then you can hire one person. So he will carry your luggage, and the process is very simple. You just pay the amount here. The person has its own ID card that you have to keep the ID card, and he will keep the slip, and he'll be going with you all the time. So it's pretty safe. We tried that, and I would say it was very comfortable. And definitely don't miss this. You will enjoy it. So as we reach halfway, so there are two ways. Like one is a shorter way, one is a little longer way. But for the longer way, if you want to see Earth Quarry temple, then you need to take the longer way. So Earth Quarry is a place where goddess Vaishno Devi had stayed and meditated for 9 months. So due to being chased by Bhairavnath. So when the demon entered the cave, the goddess made a new opening with a trident and beheaded Bhairavnath in the form of Mahakali. So this is the story of Earth Quarry. I would suggest definitely visit that. So beware of monkeys. There are a lot of monkeys on the way. I saw one monkey took away some stuff from one person and he was struggling to get it back. So just keep your belongings with you. And they have kept this machine where you can crush your bottles. So please keep environment clean and crush your bottles here. Hi guys, let me show you the Bhavan. Check this. That's Bhavan. Only 1 kilometer more. So now we are about to reach Bhavan. So important info one is as soon as you reach there, take a bath, and the water is very chilled. You will enjoy it. And then you have to keep your luggage in a locker room. The line is sometimes pretty big, so just plan accordingly. So this is the bait shop where you can purchase prasad. They will give you one packet in which some nariyal would be there. So that is the packet you can take inside Bhavan. That is the only thing you can take inside. And after that, they will take the nariyal and give you one token. So that like you can come out of the darshan and exchange that token with another nariyal. So that's how this process works. So see, this is the ropeway, and you can take this ropeway for going to Bhairav Baba. So it will just take 3 to 4 minutes, and it costs 100 rupees. And the timings for this ropeway is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you want to experience amazing views, I would suggest reach at the sunset time. You will see amazing views here. Just check it out. It's 2:30 in the morning and we have started our journey again to Bhairav Baba. From there only we'll just go back to Katra. I hope you liked all the information. So please like, subscribe and share this information to everyone. Thank you.